Good day, everyone. This is Evelyn Ackah from Ackah Business Immigration Law. I hope you're doing great. I wanted to announce that Canada has just launched a new program for Hong Kong citizens who have gone to school in Canada and either are here already for the postgraduate work permit and an on-ramp to permanent residence for them. So again, if you are a Hong Kong citizen and you have gone to school in Canada and you qualify, you should be looking out to our blog on our website at ackahlaw.com for more information to see if you qualify for this Hong Kong special postgraduate work permit and the stream to get to permanent residence. Canada is recognizing some of the unrest in Hong Kong at the moment and wants to ensure that we can keep educated, English-speaking professionals and students who've just graduated in Canada, and you can start your career here. I hope you'll look into it. Thank you. Bye-bye.